21 minutes on it. Let me take my phone to me. Okay, there it is. Now I get to go right around. Can't really mount it anywhere on my bike where it won't fall off. So, first kind of, I guess, day in life, so sort. Go right around the neighborhood pretty much. Oh dang, that's not lean forward. I wonder when that's gonna happen. Oh jeez. Try something. Yeah, stupid or not. Can't remember how to do this. Bit better. I might get it fixed when my dad gets home, but woo! Jeez, almost fell. Haven't rode a bike in weeks after the other couple videos I posted. Let me pull over and fix this. Right there. Shirts down. There's Lola. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, it's her. Make sure we're still recording. Jump off that, because why not? Fresh out there. They ain't really gonna hurt. Jeez. There are my bars. There we go. Might be a bit better. Bruh. My bars need to be back up. Back up. measure first. This right here, corner. Stupid, okay. I'm gonna slip out right here. Alright, they're kind of better like this anyway. Almost right. Really bad. He said I didn't go no bush. I ain't gonna go over there. Kind of in the white property. So I think so. Ah. We better fix it out. Why that was right. I know. Let's go across that arm. Crocs. Ah. Oh. Here. Wait. I'm gonna get off. Like, that stuff over there in that direction. Deep. That piece of pop. I keep going straight, my mouth's kind of off. Here's where one of my friends live. Down the sky. You almost went over that time. Watch, I'll get on the road. Minutes. Keep going. I used to be able to hold it. Sloppy. Nope. Brakes ain't good enough. If I had better back brakes, I could probably hold a wheelie. Can't wait till I get my dirt bike fixed. Yes, I have a dirt bike. Just right here. No. Right here might be better. No. Big doggo. Oh! I almost fell off the back of my bike now. Oh. Hey. See how I can try that routine again. Odie dog. Biggie dog and Lucky dog. I don't know what the dog's name was. So the little one Odie. Let me pull up my freaking pants. This is quick. Right, there we go. Woo! That was vert. See how good I'm trying my hardest. Crash. Or not to crash. That was bad. Oh, bro. Can't even get it up right there. He's able to. He's that guy. See you next week.